Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition 24-inch 230 amp male to 50 amp female RV plug Y adapter cord. What this 24-inch RV plug Y adapter does is it converts usable power using two 30 amp male plugs with copper contact pins and ground pin to a 50 amp female plug. Made with high-grade, heat-resistant PVC and TPE rubber cords. This 2-foot-long cord is extremely durable in all environments. Also, all the plugs have high-quality safety grips for easy plugging and unplugging. Because of the build quality with this 24-inch 230 amp male to 50 amp female RV plug Y adapter cord has, it comes with a lifetime warranty. If you have any questions about this 2-foot, 230 amp male to 50 amp female RV plug Y adapter cord, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.